What we're describing here is work that we did in the fall in assessing what are the risks of transmission of COVID in the classroom.
Remember in the fall, we were in person, we had the Delta variant, the campus was vaccinated and masked, and in that context, we had no classroom transmissions of COVID. So we were really successful then. And now with Omicron, with the different behavior of Omicron, we wanted to revisit this.
We have a model that predicts, if one person is infected in a classroom, and the rest of the population sits in the room for the duration of the lecture, what's the probability that any particular person is going to actually become infected? We did two different levels of modeling. One of them is the sort that you see kind of in the papers where you're looking at case rates over time and predictions, kind of like weather forecasting. We did some of that guided by the data from the county and the state. That sort of information lets you know just how much there is in the community in general.
So looking forward to January 31st and into the rest of the quarter, we can ask, how many of us actually are still vulnerable for catching Omicron and how many of us are protected? If we follow the vaccine efficacy information we have, it looks like about half the campus is immune because their vaccine is still working. And probably a third to up to 40% of the campus already had it. And they're not going to catch it again anytime soon. So unless another variant comes along, they're protected as well. And so that leaves a really small fraction of campus, 10 to 20% at most, who are susceptible or could be transmitters. That puts us in a very good position.
Every single step that you take reduces things in a multiplicative manner. And so you can really get to very, very low risk of getting Omicron, as you do all of these things. That is why we were so successful in the fall, is because we had policies to put that in place. And also because we worked very hard to assess all of the ventilation systems, and it worked very, very well. Having asked the question, how bad is this? I'm pretty confident the classrooms are about the best places that you can be, especially given that we are all doing what we need to do to add all those layers of protection.